Unlock the full potential of cutting-edge AI without unlocking your wallet. Here's how we explore accessing Deepseek premium features for free. First, let's be clear, directly bypassing payment for premium services is unethical and illegal. Our focus today is on legitimate and honest avenues that might grant you temporary or alternative access to Deepseek's enhanced capabilities. The most straightforward method is keeping a sharp eye out for official Deepseek free trial periods. Many premium AI services, including those like Deepseek, will often offer introductory free trials to new users. This is their way of letting you experience the full suite of features before committing to a subscription. Secondly, actively search for any limited time promotions or special offers that Deepseek might run. These could be announced on their official website, social media channels, or through partnerships. Always read the terms and conditions carefully for any eligibility criteria or duration limits. A third, and often overlooked, avenue is by participating in the Deepseek community. Sometimes companies offer early access or beta testing opportunities for new features to engaged community members. This can provide a taste of premium functionality in exchange for valuable feedback. Consider exploring alternative or scaled-down versions of AI models. While not strictly Deepseek Premium, other platforms might offer similar functionalities, perhaps with limitations, that can serve your needs. Researching the broader AI landscape might reveal cost-effective or even free alternatives that align with your goals. It's crucial to reiterate that any method employed should respect Deepseek's terms of service, copyright, and legal guidelines. We are looking at official channels and ethical practices, not seeking to exploit vulnerabilities. By staying informed about official trials, promotions, and community engagement, you can ethically explore the possibilities of experiencing premium AI features. Remember, legitimate access benefits everyone involved.